Today, I'm going to show you 5 Chrome settings that are leaking your data right now, and exactly how to turn each one off in under a minute. Here's the one that genuinely shocks people when they find out what it actually does. Open Chrome. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Safe Browsing. You'll see 3 options: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. Most phones come with Enhanced Protection turned on by default. Sounds good, right? Here's what Google doesn't make obvious. Enhanced Safe Browsing works by sending the URLs of every single page you visit to Google servers in real time. Every website, every search, constantly. What to do? Switch it to Standard Protection. You still get protection from dangerous sites, but Chrome stops streaming your entire browsing history to Google as you go. But here's where it gets worse, because the next one isn't just tracking where you go, it's uploading things you thought were private. In Chrome settings, tap your name and email address at the very top. This takes you to your sync page. Chrome just doesn't call it sync anymore. Here's what you'll see: a list of everything Chrome is uploading to your Google account right now. Bookmarks, reading list, passwords, payment methods and other info from Google Wallet, and settings, all turned on by default. What to do? Go through each toggle and turn off anything you don't want living in Google's cloud. At minimum, turn off passwords and payment methods and other info from Google Wallet. Your passwords and card details should stay on your device, not on a server somewhere. Most people fix those 2 and think they're done. They're not, because this next one surprises everybody. Go back to the main Chrome settings page. You'll see payment methods listed right there. You don't even need to dig into any submenu. Just tap it directly. The very first toggle you'll see is Save and Fill Payment Methods. This is turned on by default, and what it means is Chrome is storing your actual credit and debit card details and automatically filling them into websites when you shop. Your cards are sitting right there inside your browser, ready to be handed to any website that asks. But here's the one right below it that most people completely miss: Save Security Codes. This saves your CVC security codes, the 3-digit number on the back of your card. That code exists specifically so that only the person physically holding the card can make a purchase. The moment Chrome saves it, that protection is gone. What to do? Turn off Save and Fill Payment Methods. This will automatically switch off Save Security Codes, which is perfect. Your card number and your security code should never be stored inside a browser. When you shop online, type your details manually. It takes an extra 30 seconds, and it's worth every one of them. And that's just the start, because this next one is doing something most people have never even considered. Go back to Chrome settings. Tap Privacy and Security, then tap Preload Pages. Chrome has a feature where it predicts which links you might click next and quietly loads them in the background before you ever tap on them. The idea is to make browsing faster, but here's what's actually happening. Chrome is visiting websites on your behalf without you choosing to go there. Those sites receive a visit from your device, your IP address, and your browser fingerprint, even though you never made a conscious decision to go there. What to do? Set this to No Preloading. You might notice pages load a fraction slower, but your browsing activity stops being leaked to sites you never actually visited. Fix that tonight, but don't close out yet, because this last one is even bigger than people expect. Go back to the main Chrome settings page. Right at the top, you'll see Google Services. Tap that. You'll find Help Improve Chrome's Features and Performance right there inside. This setting sends your browsing habits, crash data, and usage statistics back to Google automatically. You didn't opt in. You were never clearly told. It was just quietly switched on. What to do? Turn it off. Your browsing behavior is yours. Chrome doesn't need to study how you use it at your expense. Here's what to do tonight. Open Chrome, go to Settings, and turn these 5 things off. 1. Switch Enhanced Safe Browsing to Standard Protection. 2. Turn off Sync for passwords and payment methods. 3. Disable Save and Fill Payment Methods and Save Security Codes. 4. Set Preload Pages to No Preloading. 5. Turn off Help improve Chrome's features and performance under Google Services. 5 settings, 10 minutes. Chrome goes from a data collection tool back to being just a browser. You didn't agree to have your passwords uploaded, your browsing streamed, and your payment details exposed, but that's what was happening. Now you know, and now you fixed it. If this helps you, tap the like button. It helps more people find this before their data gets leaked too. Subscribe for more Android privacy tips that actually matter. I'll see you in the next one.